anyway, guys, this is Samani Peace and welcome to Truly Entertainment. Thank you so much for joining me. Don't forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. A happy Thursday, happy 2026. I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. Without me wasting your time, let's get to start off today. What's on this Tembo season 9, guys? The Umayeni finally met Osamke and she's not happy, guys. And I blame Osamseleko ne team your production your turn this Tembo. How could they do that to Mayeni, guys? I love Mayeni, and Mayeni was right this time. So, guys, Umayeni, she's explaining about direct section to Musamseleko to say, when I came here, Usamke was really going out. It means that Usamke, she was done with her direct section. Kanjani, Usamke, she's wife number 5. Umayeni was like, ngidlule Usamke ephuma mina mangena la kuma direct section. Musamseleko was like, no, I'm tired. Umayeni was like, no, you're not gonna tired. You're gonna give me the same energy you gave Makwela ku direct section. I need you. I don't have time for you to play with me. So, guys, finally Umayeni, it means that uyamazi Usamke, guys, and she's not happy. I don't know the reason why they started Usamke. Usamke mafiki izolo, Usamke ufika kwamanje. So why do they have to choose Usamke over Mayeni, guys? Umayeni, she's been here from season 1 until to season 9, and you decide to choose somebody just arrived for season 8, unless Umayeni arrived late because she's in Shabeni. I don't know where's the production you're turning this table. So, guys, it is what it is. Umayeni has finally met Usamke and she's not happy. So anyway, guys, it is what it is. Do not forget to subscribe it, to like it, comment. Happy Thursday, happy 2026. Please take care of yourself. I love you. Bye.